A French chef taught me this recipe and my whole family loved it. First, let's start by cutting a carrot into thin slices, like I'm doing here. Then we'll cut 3 potatoes into slices as well. With the vegetables sliced, transfer them to a pot. Add a teaspoon of salt and 2 cups of water. Cover the pot and let the vegetables cook. While the vegetables are cooking, we'll prepare the broccoli. Cut it into medium-sized pieces, just like I'm doing here. With just these ingredients, the recipe is already looking delicious. In a frying pan, add 40 grams of butter and let it melt completely. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. After mixing well, add 250 milliliters of chicken broth and keep stirring. When it starts to thicken like a cream, add 200 grams of cream to make it even creamier. Now, to make everything even more irresistible, we'll finish with 80 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Add a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of salt. Now we can set this wonderful cream aside. Returning to the vegetables that we're cooking, remove them from the pot and set aside. At this point, we need to chop an onion into cubes. And let me know where you're watching from. I'd love to know. In another frying pan, add 20 grams of butter. And when it melts, sauté the onion until golden. This step will bring an amazing aroma to our recipe. Now it's time to assemble the dish. In a baking dish, spread a little olive oil on the bottom to ensure nothing sticks. Next, add the broccoli, carrots, and potatoes we cooked. Place the sautéed onion on top, distributing it well among the vegetables. Now take that cream we prepared earlier and spread it all over the baking dish, covering the vegetables. Use a spatula to make sure everything is well covered with this delicious cream. To finish, we'll add grated mozzarella cheese on top of everything. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Our special recipe, inspired by French cuisine, is ready to be served. The flavor is simply wonderful and will win over everyone at your table. Now tell me, which city are you watching from? Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next recipe.